Guys, today I'm at my house and we're just walking around. We're watching Gravity Falls, and here is a baby puppy named Bruce. See, he loves you guys. Look at him. He's so hyper. He isn't as hyper as that dog that you saw in the last video, Benji. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. As you know, I'm in my costume. I'm in my Sonic pajamas, and I'm just here watching Gravity Falls. Season number 2. I gotta zoom in a lot. Yeah, so we're just watching. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, oh my gosh, that was way too much. Oh, the dog just, my dog right here, he just barked. I mean, he just sneezed. And it's kind of raining outside. As you saw, those other videos wasn't the video that I made yesterday. So I'm just here, and there's really nothing else that I can show you. So that's it for this video. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.